Hello, Charles here. This is my 1991 Ford F-150. I bought it brand new in 1991 for around, I don't know, $16,000. Bought it in Modesto, California. Looked around for a while to decide on which truck I wanted, but I knew I wanted the dual tank and the long bed. So went to a lot of Ford dealerships, did a lot of finagling and negotiating, and finally got the truck that I wanted. So I knew when I bought it, from that day forward, I was going to try to take care of it. So this is what happens if you try to take care of something for 27 years. It's kind of my baby. I go out and work on it probably about once a week. You know, if something breaks, I try to replace it with the new old stock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move up to the interior here and give you guys a good shot at the interior, and then I'm going to come up and open up the hood and show you what's going on with the hood. So voila, the interior. Like I said, I try to take care of this baby, try to keep everything original. Everything works, nothing's broken. And now I'm going to come up and I'm going to pop open the hood and show you what I do to take care of the hood, underneath the hood. So let me pop this baby open here, and up we go. And as you can see, I try to keep the baby nice and clean, keep it original as much as possible. If I can get some cleaner shots here. So hopefully I'm going to keep the truck another 30 years and see how it goes. Thanks for watching my video.